Hey guys, welcome to our first episode ever. This one is called Band Names Scenes. So, we are going to talk about just in general band names and what they mean to the band and to the fans. Sometimes there's a story, sometimes it's just very silly. So, we thought it would be a good topic to explore. Let's crack on with it. Akshay, welcome,
Yeah, it's an
man.
interesting choice of topic for the first episode itself, but I'm sure we'll have a lot of insights to it. So yes, so I think band name is something that really important. Maybe sometime it does or sometime it doesn't. But what do you think? The band name should represent what kind of music the artist is playing? Does it represent any kind of attitude, or it's just a random name that they pick up and play their music?
Well, the importance of band name, I don't think the band cares about it that much, but I'm pretty sure they invest a lot of time to actually get the name. Sometimes they go through a thought process and they fail somewhere and they're like, okay, whatever, we just want a band name. And sometimes they're successful in naming through that process. But I think most of all, what's important is music, right? I mean, और क्या और कुछ फर्क भी नहीं पड़ता है मतलब म्यूजिक अच्छा है तो
Exactly.
क्या है किसको कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है वही रहता है
हाँ, तो वही बैंड नेम आई थिंक फॉर मी जस्ट अ नेम. बाकी तो यस यू राइटली सेड, तुम्हारा म्यूजिक कैसा है तो if your fans like it, I mean if your fans like your music, I mean band name will become a
या
huge success.
हाँ
So
ना
so directly indirectly कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, तुम अपना म्यूजिक बजाओ बस.
हाँ ना और फिर क्या थोड़ा हेड बैंगिंग किया तो क्या म्यूजिक भी
Exactly. But somewhere down the line, I think there'll be some story behind each and every band name. Maybe it could be some funny story behind it, or you know, some like really thought-provoking ideas behind the band name. So what do you think? What type of band names come to your mind when you
well
know, or the idea behind the band name could
yeah
be?
I think we discussed this a lot of times we've discussed this over the phone maybe sometimes just random chats but the first thing that comes to my mind is probably self-titled names
Hmm.
something like Bob Dylan, Bruce Springsteen's मतलब आपने ही नाम रख दिया खत्म टेंशन नहीं है
I think yes. On those lines, I remember Joe Bonamassa,
हाँ
Joe Satriani,
yes
Dave Matthews Band. I think these
yeah
are all
yeah
self-titled and
yeah
really good
which is
musicians.
good I think I think it's also a platform to just represent yourself and your name and
Hmm.
as your music grows you grow as your name and there's no band name
Yeah.
associated with it but I don't know what the other band members feel within the band. I've never been in a band with
Yeah.
a self-titled band name, so I don't know the feeling,
Yeah.
man.
Right. Good point. Good point.
uh,
But what about the band names which has a genre itself in their name?
yeah
Like, for example, Death.
the genre type, yeah, Death is a good example for genre. And what else? Metallica is also like metal,
Kind of
kind of.
influence from the
Yeah,
metal. Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah. There are yeah genre type also, but I think the most common ones are not the common ones, but the playful ones I would say are the ones with two words and then one is a color and one is an object or a number or something some word right
हाँ, तो कुछ तो ऐसा कलर उठाया और कुछ
हाँ
तो नाम चिपका दिया और बैंड नेम हो गया.
हाँ एग्जैक्टली
आई एम श्योर उधर तो ये स्टोरीज में तो बहुत एग्जांपल्स रहेंगे. सो व्हाट आर द नो प्राइम
हाँ
बैंड नेम व्हिच हैज कलर एंड अ वर्ड इन इट you could think of?
I think
पूछेंगे तो तीन नाम.
I think Deep Purple is what comes to my mind straight away, and Pink Floyd, obviously. Apna
Yes,
Khasam
yes.
Khas.
बचपन से फेवरेट. Yes. So, interesting. Or क्या, Black Sabbath, one of the massive heavy metal
Yes, Black
pioneers.
Sabbath. Yeah,
So again,
yeah, that's a
word
good
and
one. Yeah.
a color. Similarly, recently Maroon 5
Oh,
also
Maroon
is
Five,
one
man.
of the
हाँ
example.
यार. नंबर भी है इसमें
So
तो।
number भी exactly, that's a
ओ
new story
यार।
we have now. So number और color भी है.
हाँ
Wow,
यार।
that's interesting. और भी बैंड नेम्स होते हैं यार जिसमें स्कल्पचर बेस्ड या एनिमल बेस्ड नाम रहता है या
हाँ, ऐसे
कुछ
ऑब्जेक्ट्स
ऑब्जेक्ट
रहते
को
हैं या
रिप्रेजेंट.
बुक्स रहते हैं या ऐसे
हाँ
एकदम वियर्ड नाम रहता है या ऐसे एक वर्ड रहेगा कुछ तो खत्म, मतलब
हाँ हाँ,
दैट टाइप ऑफ
मतलब
नेम्स, राइट? या
यस.
तो
तो
उसमें उसमें आई थिंक स्कॉर्पियंस लाइक एनिमल्स वाला, लाइक यू सेड
हाँ
दैट्स अ गुड
करेक्ट.
एग्जांपल, राइट?
द एनिमल्स करके
Oh
भी एक
yeah,
बैंड है
the
राइट.
animals.
वो भी आई मीन इट्स प्रीटी जेनरिक
Yeah,
बट गुड गाइस.
yeah, yeah. And then
Similarly,
Queen.
Queen,
Yeah,
come on, man, it's a
yeah,
it's a very huge
yeah.
band, and
That's more
they've
like a character, sort of.
exactly,
Yeah,
yeah, some person or
yeah,
the position, whatever you call
exactly.
it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and then we have Pantera, which
Oh,
is like
हाँ.
Spanish name for
Oh
panther.
man, हाँ. Oh,
Yeah,
scene.
ये भी
हाँ
काफी
यार.
काफी interesting. Yes,
वो तो नेम
yes.
सीन हो गया पूरा। बैंड नेम सीन।
मतलब एपिसोड हम लोग एकदम राइट नेम दिया है, राइट.
हाँ,
बैंड नेम जैसे हम लोग सोचते हैं वैसे एपिसोड नेम भी अपन ने एकदम
हाँ,
किलर दिया
हाँ ना। बैंड नेम सीन्स।
है. एनीवे, तो और क्या इंटरेस्टिंग आइडियाज होते हैं बैंड नेम के पीछे.
आई थिंक व्हाट यू सेड लाइक द एनिमल्स, आई थिंक द से चालू होने वाला बैंड्स रहता है ना,
हाँ,
दे स्टार्ट
फॉर
विद अ
एग्जांपल
द और
आई थिंक
ए
द
और
हु
एन
करके मेरे
whatever, द
दिमाग
हु,
में आ
या
रहा है
या
अभी.
या
Yeah. I mean it's so simple but nobody
हाँ,
thinks like the who क्या बैंड है यार. I mean
हाँ,
क्या नाम क्या है ये.
yeah. Yeah. And in what other things come to your mind, like other kind of ways to name a band, like
I think acronym is
oh
also a
yeah,
very
man.
good way to name your band. I think ABBA was one of the biggest example where it just
Oh.
initials of the band members, right?
हाँ, ABBA was that, yeah,
काफी
exactly.
इंटरेस्टिंग, राइट.
मस्त
आई
है वो,
थिंक
actually.
हाँ, ये लोग फेमस है करके ये नाम काफी इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहे हैं. अदरवाइज दीज नेम्स आर मे बी स्टूपिड, आई डोंट नो.
Yeah, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता ना बाद में names का ऐसे.
एग्जैक्टली, सो म्यूजिक मेक्स यू बिग. दैट्स
हाँ,
करेक्ट.
yeah, yeah. And
और क्या
वैसे
एग्जांपल है.
I think interesting one. I think ये मेरे को पता नहीं था actually. So this is a good one. REM.
Ah, yes.
REM initials was rapid eye movement, which is actually a deep dream stage of sleep.
करेक्ट करेक्ट करेक्ट, या
Man,
या
क्या
वेरी
साइक है यार.
इंटरेस्टिंग.
और उन
मतलब
लोग को भी ये सब थॉट नहीं आया, डिक्शनरी में देखा। और मस्त अच्छा लगा, चलो डालते हैं। आई थिंक
सो
वही
बट
रहेगा।
उनका रैपिड है कि रैंडम है.
कौन सा REM का?
हाँ, एक्चुअल उनका रैंडम आई मूवमेंट है या रैपिड आई मूवमेंट,
या आई
नहीं
डोंट
पता
रिमेम्बर
नहीं.
मैन, बट ऐसे ही कुछ था। मैं पढ़ा था तो
ऐसे ही कुछ था बट
समझा मैं
इंटरेस्टिंग.
वो।
वी शुड
या
सर्च ऑन
इंटरेस्टिंग था
दैट.
वो, हाँ। एक्चुअली सर्च करना चाहिए।
यार हाँ, नाउ दैट वी आर डिस्कसिंग एक और नाम मेरे दिमाग में आ रहा है. ये लिम्ब बिस्किट का स्टोरी पता है क्या तुझे?
ओह मैन, लिम्ब बिस्किट।
it's a funny story. So I think the singer Fred Durst, he had a crippled dog. उसका
हाँ।
नाम था Biscuit.
ओह
So since he was crippled and limping, they just named their band Limp
या,
Biscuit.
आई मीन दैट आल्सो comes down to a story behind the band name, right?
Exactly,
Yeah,
exactly, and it involves animal as well. So
yeah,
it's
yeah,
mix of
exactly. वो पहले का point है। अच्छा था वो।
mix of both. Yeah. हाँ, but कुछ कुछ बैंड तो ये सबका कॉम्बिनेशन भी होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई थिंक RHCP.
ओह हाँ यार।
It has acronym भी है,
Yep, yeah,
color
yeah.
भी है,
हाँ।
और I think object भी है pepper.
हाँ,
And then
yeah,
sensory feeling भी है hot.
हाँ।
So I
Oh
think
man, deep
but
है
इसका क्या स्टोरी था?
एकदम।
इसका क्या स्टोरी था? RHCP कहाँ से आया?
RHCP का मेरे को पता नहीं यार स्टोरी एक्चुअली। आई थिंक फ्रॉम वेगली व्हाट आई रिमेम्बर, वो इट वाज वेरी रैंडम, दे जस्ट पुल्ड इट ऑफ अ हैट, लाइक everyone put in their
अच्छा.
names and pulled it. I mean, I don't remember who suggested it or anything, but yeah,
Okay.
interesting one, very interesting.
Hmm. Nice, nice,
Or
nice. But
what
हाँ
else
हाँ
do you
बोलो.
remember, like in this
Uh,
scene?
कुछ कुछ बैंड्स ऐसा मतलब फालतू का मिसपेल्ड कर देते हैं वर्ड को, बैंड नेम
हाँ,
बन जाता है.
हाँ, आई थिंक वो
Do you have any example?
कॉपीराइट्स रहेगा आई थिंक मिलता नहीं
हाँ
रहेगा
हाँ
तो
हाँ, चोरी करने के लिए बेस्ट
हाँ
आइडिया,
घुमाओ
स्पेलिंग
वर्ड
अलग
को
डाल दो।
हाँ या
So
कुछ
okay,
एग्जांपल्स
for that
क्या है
matter,
उसका
one of the biggest band, Megadeth,
ओ मैन
right?
हाँ
They
यार
don't they don't have A in it, for
देवाय
death में A नहीं है, तो ये क्या मतलब फुल चेप डाला है इधर उधर से। But और क्या है, ऐसा कुछ एग्जांपल और आ रहा है दिमाग में?
अपना 90s 2000s का बैंड है शायद वो स्टेन्ड स्टेन्ड भी है ना
अच्छा हाँ, how do
उसका
they
आई
spell
थिंक
it?
ई नहीं है उसमें शायद
अच्छा, ईडी में ई नहीं है,
हाँ
सीधा STAIND।
हाँ स्टेन्ड का आई थिंक वही है
एकदम
यस
एकदम डेंजर। सही है सही है।
हाँ और उसमें
और
आई मीन मेगाडेथ का एक्चुअली स्टोरी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है तो वो दैट
अच्छा,
कम्स डाउन टू द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट वेयर वी वर थिंकिंग अबाउट टॉकिंग अबाउट स्टोरीज राइट सम बैंड्स हैव
या
स्टोरीज सो मेगाडेथ
करेक्ट।
का इज लाइक Mustaine got kicked out of the band, right? Dave Mustaine, who was Metallica's
अच्छा।
guitarist, obviously. तो फुल फ्रस्ट्रेशन में खड़ा था वो किधर फ्लायर आया कुछ फ्लायर में लिखा था ऐसे मेगा डेथ मतलब
ओ,
मेगा डेथ और फिर वो रख दिया नाम उसने
लाइक मिलियन डेथ, मिलियन
हाँ
डेथ।
मिलियन हाँ ऐसे कुछ तो था उसमें या
हम्म।
मज़ा आ रहेगा
तो
उसको
वैसे हाँ, वैसे सोचेगा तो बैंड नेम मतलब ऑलमोस्ट ऑल ऑफ देम आर स्टूपिड, बट आई थिंक बिकॉज देयर म्यूजिक इज सो ह्यूजली
हाँ
पॉपुलर,
नाउ दैट वी
आई
हैव
थिंक।
डिस्कस्ड या
एग्जैक्टली।
अभी इसमें ही मतलब I know, like we are keeping this podcast both Hindi and English, so it makes justice to talk about Indian bands also, right?
या दैट्स करेक्ट। सो अपना हिंदी में भी एक कुछ ट्रेंड था बीच में, वो पूरा पंचतत्व लेके बैंड के नाम रख दो, है ना? तो
हाँ ना
टिपिकल हिंदी बैंड
full
नेम्स, इंडियन,
मतलब full
पाकिस्तानी,
heavy metal
अग्नि।
but नाम
हाँ।
संस्कृत
but
yeah
some of them are really good. I think Vayu was like one of the very good
yeah
band
yeah
in our time.
yeah yeah
फिर
Vayu हाँ
वायु हो
मस्त
गया।
था yeah
हाँ, अग्नि,
Agni
अग्नि
yeah
अगेन।
yeah it's like
हाँ,
elements ना natural
एग्जैक्टली, 5 एलिमेंट्स, या रेत,
और रेत
जल।
रेत एक्चुअली हाँ वो पाकिस्तानी बैंड्स राइट या
हाँ, यस।
या
सो
रेत
ये
पता नहीं मेरे
सब
को रेत पाकिस्तानी था क्या नहीं आई
आई
डोंट
थिंक
रिमेम्बर
पाकिस्तानी था, हाँ हाँ।
ओके ओके
नहीं, आई एम श्योर पाकिस्तानी था।
या
फिर वही
गूगल कर सकते रहे वो बाद में
गूगल कर सकते हैं बाद में, और else we'll leave it to our listeners
Oh yeah,
so
वो
that the
अच्छा idea है. Let's
curiosity,
let's involve our
yes,
listeners. Actually, we would like to know some interesting band names from you guys. If you know us,
yeah,
you know where to find us. Or else I'll just leave our social media uh, tags. I don't know what you call it,
yeah.
but social media links
Mm,
in when we share the podcast, basically. Anyways,
exactly,
back to
they
the
can
topic.
add their comments, and maybe we can take it up in one of the
Yeah,
episodes.
yeah, that's a good
But
idea
coming
also.
coming back to topic,
Yes.
so वैसा भी था ना, हिंदी और संस्कृत रखने का, या फिर प्योर हिंदी नाम रखने का। नाउ फॉर एग्जांपल भयानक मौत, राइट?
Oh, yep.
I think it's literal translation of behemoth. ऐसे कुछ स्टोरी
हाँ
रहेगा
ना
उनका शायद, आई डोंट
yeah
नो।
yeah but
बट
वो
हाँ,
अच्छा नाम था यार it was the like one of the big metal bands in
yeah,
India
yeah, I think they are the
back in the
top
time
bands in India
yeah
yet. I mean, I mean, I've seen them in NH7 2019, and
they're
pura
still good
crowd. They are still good,
yeah
and I mean, they have that brutality. Yeah,
scenes
completely. So again, नाम देख यार, भयानक मौत doesn't make
uh,
sense. I mean,
yeah
it's a stupid name, but
yeah
the music, again, music talks.
hmm. or I think there's I mean if you talk about famous Indian bands right apna Indian Ocean like
Exactly.
it's like geography but कितना simple name है and it's true to its name also it's like very Indian the music
Yes, yes. I think, yeah, yeah. You rightly said it. So I think this is one of the bands where you can say the music really speaks about what the name is, or the name really speaks about what the music is. So
yeah
it's really
yeah
interesting. Yeah.
and I think Parikrama also is
Oh,
it's
yes, yes.
it
Parikrama
is a
again, proper
Hindi name
English band.
but an English band
Ah,
you know it's I
exactly.
think that was a dilemma with the Indian bands was like we are from India should we name it
Mm-hmm.
in Hindi Sanskrit or should we name it English as well so that was
Mm-hmm.
one of the biggest dilemmas I think
Correct, correct. But then we had some really good English bands from Mumbai or India in general,
Yes, yes.
uh, which also had interesting names like Pin Drop Violence, PDV.
Oh, yes. I love that
Those guys
line.
were huge
Must now.
success back in
Pin drop
2008, 6,
violence.
8.
Yeah.
Yeah, Pin Drop Violence.
And then
Uh,
there was what's the other one? Zero. Zero.
Zero. Come
Yeah.
on, man. How can we not talk about Zero?
Yeah.
I
I
mean,
actually you should talk about the story behind the name.
yeah, I think it evolved from how India or the Aryabhatta came up with the number zero,
Yeah.
and basically it's शून्य, मतलब कुछ है नहीं,
Oh, okay.
शून्य, but
Okay.
Indian discovery है
Yeah.
zero, शून्य. So I think
Okay.
the band name started on those lines, so that's why zero. I mean, it's
Uh,
one of the really good names to have,
yeah.
band names
It's
to
so
have.
simple too, right?
Yeah,
The name.
simple.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And there's this northeast band called Soulmate, I think.
Mm,
Yeah, which was
yeah,
pretty good name. And also there's this Bengali band called Fossils. That was
yeah.
very old. I think early
Maybe
2000
four,
maybe.
2004, 5.
Yeah, yeah.
I have very vague memories of that band, but I remember we used to listen to them.
Yeah, yeah, a lot of
Yeah.
good bands. So Indian bands, I mean, they also now you can see right. They also had the similar strategy, or not a similar strategy, but it was more Indian than like
Mhm.
a global strategy for band
Yeah,
names. Yeah,
correct, correct, correct.
that was a
But I
good
think
discussion, man. Yeah.
on these lines, we also had similar experience, right? Like searching for a band name.
Let's talk about that.
Yeah, yeah. Why not? Why not? So for listeners, we also had combined. I mean, me and Nikhil in the same band, we had one Hindi band and one English band, and naming those band was like really a hectic process. I think we
Oh
spent
yes,
like
totally.
weeks listing out the names and then
Yeah. So
finalizing on one. Yeah.
yeah, why don't you start with the name?
I think, yeah, okay. So this was back in 2005 or something, where we had our first band,
I
and
think
we
four,
named it
dude. 2004.
DDT, right? 2004?
Yeah.
Okay, 2004 maybe. So we named our band DDT. So again, acronym. But we had some kind of story behind it, which Nikhil will tell you with the full form as well.
So DDT stood for Drop Dead Twice, and the idea behind that was what is impossible. So dropping dead twice is impossible. I think that was the idea. I hope so.
I mean, it was like
Because it was very
typical.
last minute. You remember that, Akshay? Like, I mean, we
Yeah, I
were,
think we had to apply for some competition in one of the engineering
yeah,
colleges, and we had to give the name. So
yeah.
we went with it.
So it was in a rush. There was a thought, but not really a thought process towards it. We just
Mm.
named it, and it was in a rush, so we just named it, and it was sounding cool with the acronym DDT. So
Yes, yes.
cool hai
But
matlab chalega.
हाँ, चला दो, कुछ भी चलेगा.
And we were nowhere
But
close to our name, like
yeah,
dead
yeah,
twice.
yeah.
It sounded
Just now
like,
you said, yeah, just now you said something and it come to you just said we were in Rush.
yeah.
That reminds me of a band called Rush, Canadian
Oh
band.
man, yes, yes.
Again, again, I mean, why would you name your band Rush?
Yeah,
Probably ये
man.
बॉम्बे
Seriously.
से होगा रे, ये लोग गर्दी है सब जगह गर्दी है.
कर दिए बहुत भाई.
बट हाँ, फिर अपना एक हिंदी बैंड भी था, उसका स्टोरी बताएगा क्या?
Hindi band, apna. Oh man. Ah. So there was this Hindi band which we named Avyakta, which is
Hmm.
the what do you translate it to, Akshay?
It's like you cannot express,
Oh, the
you मतलब
yeah, the
unexpressible or
unexpressible
something.
tribe or something like that, some weird shit.
जो जो व्यक्त नहीं कर
Oh
सकते वो
yes,
है अव्यक्त.
exactly. Full मिथुन का मुंह ही लग रहा है भाई.
गुंडा. नहीं,
Man.
बट इंटरेस्टिंग था यार वो थॉट प्रोसेस अपना. अव्यक्त के पीछे
हाँ,
यही था कि इट्स सिंस इट्स अ हिंदी बैंड, वी
हाँ,
शुड हैव अ हिंदी नेम और संस्कृत नेम. And
हाँ.
I think Avyakt sounded really cool. And if you
Yeah.
think about it, Avyakt sounds really cool. I mean,
Yeah,
it's
it is a
nice.
cool
You
name. हाँ, मेरे को अच्छा लगा.
Yeah, yeah.
मतलब व्यक्त नहीं कर सकते बट गाना बजाओ।
हाँ, सो जो हम लोग एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर सकते, वी आर एक्सप्रेसिंग थ्रू आवर
ओ
म्यूजिक,
हाँ ना।
समथिंग लाइक
अरे
दैट।
हाँ यार वही था मेन।
वेरी, हाँ, एकदम डीप, एकदम डीप।
फुल ऑन। और बता
हम्म।
तू, तेरा बैंड के बारे में बता एक्चुअली।
उसके
उसके
बाद
बाद आई थिंक
जैसे हम लोग,
यू नो आई
या,
I came here and you were still there,
यस,
working
सो
on your music, and
वो
I was here working on my music. So you can
यस,
start.
सो वो बैंड वाला कीड़ा तो गया नहीं कभी अपना,
हाँ
हमेशा से चाहिए था, बट आई थिंक एज वी नो progress through our listening and number of band we were exposed to, I think we I got personally got into progressive rock or progressive metal. So हम लोग ने भी एक बैंड बनाया, and we named that band RLC 66.
oh
So
man.
उसका, हाँ, उसका
सही
स्टोरी
है।
भी बहुत फनी है। So ये स्टोरी ऐसा है कि again this is kind of acronym and number
Yeah.
which we started our topic with. So हम लोग एक स्टूडियो में जैम करते थे, सायन में एक स्टूडियो था, दैट स्टूडियो करके।
हाँ
तो सायन जो मुंबई का वन ऑफ द पॉपुलर एरिया है, वो बस डेपो का नाम था, आई मीन द बस स्टॉप वाज नेम्ड आफ्टर रानी लक्ष्मीबाई.
yeah yeah
So the bus stop name was Rani Lakshmi Chowk, which is short form for
yeah.
RLC. RLC.
Oh
And the bus which used to start from there was number 66.
brilliant.
So why not combine those
Yeah.
and just form a band? And so that's the story behind it. So I think
सही है
it's
man. Actually
rather
अच्छा
than
है यार
music, it's
story, मतलब
the
it
yeah,
is
it's
a
the
story
place where
with
we were playing.
acronyms and numbers, मतलब full।
Exactly. मतलब proper combination है.
अच्छा है एक्चुअली, बहुत थॉट दिया रे नेम के लिए। कितना टाइम लगा रे
हाँ,
नाम रखने को, अरे वो डिस्कस
अरे
करना चाहिए रे।
फ्रस्ट हाँ, सो स्टोरी उसका ऐसे ही था, हम लोग फ्रस्ट्रेट
हाँ
होके बैठे थे स्टूडियो के बाहर, क्या करेगा क्या करेगा, तो 66 नंबर का बस आया।
हाँ।
एंड 66 हम लोग ऐसे 666 डेविल का नंबर है, 60 इस पे कुछ करते इस पे, फिर देखा तो भाई RLC रानी लक्ष्मी चौक, एंड इट साउंडेड कूल, सो
या
बस दे हो
मस्त है
गया।
एक्चुअली।
मस्त है, यस। बट ऐसा तेरा भी ऐसे कुछ यूएस में बैंड है और उस पर भी कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी है
हाँ
ऐसे लग रहा है,
मतलब
तो थोड़ा
हम लोग का
लिसनर्स को।
एक्चुअली या वो भी है एक्चुअली। मतलब स्टार्टिंग बोलेगा तो एक हिंदी, एक साल के लिए कुछ तो था हिंदी टाइप का बैंड। सो इट वाज
हाँ
मोर
हाँ,
लाइक अ सिम्फनी, मतलब सिम्फनी नहीं, मतलब बहुत म्यूजिशियंस और बहुत वोकलिस्ट, तो अलग अलग ऑर्केस्ट्रा टाइप थोड़ा, बट
ओके,
अच्छा था। एंड सो वी नेम्ड इट लाइक ध्वनि और समथिंग।
आओ,
एंड बेसिकली ध्वनि मतलब वही साउंड समथिंग राइट। मेरा
करेक्ट।
हिंदी इतना डीप नहीं है बट
हाँ, but Dhwani sounds like
या
sound. I mean, it means sound. So
हाँ।
yeah, interesting name.
तो आई मीन इट इज़ लाइक अ वन वर्ड थिंग राइट, वो हम लोग डिस्कस
Hmm.
कर रहे थे पहले। लाइक अ वन
Correct.
वर्ड थिंग, एक वर्ड में नाम ख़त्म। तो वो अच्छा था। फिर उसके बाद वाला वाज लाइक ऐसे प्रॉपर बैंड टाइप।
Hmm.
तो उसका था, नेम वाज F1H1,
ये क्या
F1H1।
स्टोरी है भाई? फॉर्मूला वन?
तो बेसिकली ऐसे वैक्सीन वैक्सीन का नाम लगता है बट उसका
हाँ,
स्टोरी
H1N1 स्वाइन फ्लू वाला वैसे ही कुछ लग
एग्जैक्टली।
रहा है।
तो बेसिकली वो F1 इज़ द वीज़ा फॉर स्टूडेंट वीज़ा, यहाँ पे वीज़ा का नाम है F1,
ओ,
और H1 इज़ द
ओ,
वर्क
अच्छा।
वीज़ा। तो हम लोग के बैंड में स्टूडेंट्स भी थे और दो जन ऑलरेडी वर्क वीज़ा पे थे। तो और थोड़ा इंडियन फील, इंडिया से आए यूएस में वैसा टाइप फील है, तो दैट्स
हाँ,
व्हाई वी नेम्ड
कसम, ये
इट
तो काफी
F1H1।
इंटरेस्टिंग थॉट था यार बैंड नेम के पीछे।
इंटरेस्टिंग, हाँ अच्छा था।
इंटरेस्टिंग से ज्यादा
हाँ
रियलिस्टिक लग रहा है काफी,
रियलिस्टिक था,
भाई
हाँ
सब।
एग्जैक्टली बहुत रियलिस्टिक
हाँ,
थॉट था। और आई थिंक यूनिक भी था, इट वाज, आई मीन देयर इज नो बैंड नेम्ड F1H1, तो वो हो
एग्जैक्टली।
गया। आई थिंक
वाओ,
मेरा
इंटरेस्टिंग।
पर्सनली आई आई लुक फॉर ऐसे यूनिक नेम्स, ऐसे लगता है मेरे को,
हम्म, हम्म,
बट पता नहीं। एनीवे, दैट वाज आवर स्टोरी. So I think
यस।
we should move on to something interesting. Like, what are your thoughts? Like, what do you think your favorite ones are? Like, out of all the band names, not the
Yeah,
music, not the music. We're talking about just
just
the
the
names
name.
here, okay? Just to
Mm.
clarify, not the music, just the names,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
and just in any order, just name a few.
So, yeah. So keeping aside the music, or maybe I don't mind. I do love these bands. First one would be A Perfect Circle.
Oh,
I think it's a
nice.
very good name to have.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
nice.
and I think there was some story, right?
Story
So
behind it.
story.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So I think it was it's part of some lyrics, right, Nikhil? If I'm not
Yeah,
wrong.
I think yeah, it is one of their songs. So it is still a theory कि ऐसा नाम क्यों रखा. वो
Mm-hmm.
टिपिकल उसका जेम्स का थियरी रहता ना अलग अलग.
Mm.
तो
Maniac.
हाँ exactly. तो I think one of the songs has the lyrics pull me into your perfect circle, you know, one shape, one result, or something like that. So basically, it means
Wow.
one human in the one being in the universe, or something like that. Or
Wow.
there's also a story that पहले के books में सब a perfect circle was a sign of togetherness, say universal
Oh wow.
togetherness कुछ तो
Yeah.
weird है कुछ
That's a
तो
deep.
बहुत
Yeah.
deep है हाँ.
What deep.
And the fact is that उन लोग का logo is imperfect circle.
Yes, exactly.
मतलब दो
So I
सर्कल
mean,
तोड़ दिया ऐसे.
हाँ काफी यूनिकनेस है मतलब
हाँ
परफेक्ट
अच्छा
सर्कल
है वो.
और लोगो ही ऐसा है अमेजिंग
Yeah,
फिर आई थिंक दूसरा probably I would go with Queen's Reich because I love the band and I like the name also
yeah,
so
yeah.
like Queen's Kingdom
हाँ
like it's a very good I think Reich is probably a German word if
हाँ.
I'm not wrong
Yeah, yeah.
तो अच्छा कॉम्बिनेशन है यार Queen's
मस्त है.
Kingdom Queen's Reich
Hmm.
and top three, right? Third, probably name is simple but interesting one. Oasis, right?
Oh, okay.
It's really interesting name
Nice,
to have.
nice.
Yeah, and I think
Oasis
their
अच्छा है. Simple
story.
one word ऐसे
Yeah,
name.
exactly.
Yeah. उसका स्टोरी हम लोग याद है क्या रिसर्च किया तभी क्या मिला अपने को. वो
हाँ
शेयर
हाँ
करना चाहिए
हाँ
अपने
हाँ
को.
हम लोग कुछ और सोच रहे थे स्टोरी कुछ
हाँ
और
हम
था
लोग
ना
सोच रहे थे फुल ऐसे सोचा रहेगा ओएसिस मतलब किधर नहीं हम लोग का म्यूजिक वहाँ सुनाई देगा ओएसिस में ऐसा फुल फील देगा ओएसिस का. बट उसने ऐसी कुछ तो पोस्टर पे देखा ओएसिस ओएसिस लीजर सेंटर करके there's a स्विंडन में वेन्यू है. स्विंडन इज
अच्छा
इन यूके आई थिंक. सो that's how we got the name. There was a venue with that name. The first word लेके चलो Oasis.
so is the story or simplicity behind it
Source वो है basically name का
हाँ
but yeah.
yes
And this
uh,
all extra information is brought to you by Wikipedia, guys. So feel free to search
I'm sure
yourselves.
it's all true. Though it's Wikipedia, it's all true.
Yeah, man.
But moving on to your top three band names.
Yes. Um, top three. I wouldn't say top three, but I would say names that I like.
Hmm.
I I mean, I would start with Rage Against the Machine.
Oh wow,
Yeah,
I love that band.
yeah, I'll like that band too. I mean, their music totally represents their name in a way
Hmm.
that totally against capitalism or anything against the government oppression or what's up. But
Ah,
yeah, their lyrics are also very strong. So
exactly.
and that represents in the Rage Against the Machine the name RATM.
Wow.
So I like
Yeah.
that. Um,
Yeah. Again, it's an acronym as well, right?
yes,
RATM, I
yes,
think.
exactly. I mean, I
So.
think they started off with the name, and then people call it an acronym. It's
Wow.
a different thing. I think they are
Fans
like
driven,
yeah, yeah,
proper thought-provoking name.
yeah. And then
Yeah.
I would go with the Who. Um,
Yes.
yeah, I like that name. I know you talked about the Who before, but yeah, I kind of like the
Yeah.
name a lot because
It's funny, but it's interesting. Yeah.
yeah, yeah. I mean, if you think about it, what is your band? We are the Who. The Who. मतलब वो knock knock joke जैसा हो गया. But
Damn.
yeah, I like it. And then the other one was Soundgarden,
Hmm.
which I thought about,
Yes.
and I didn't know the theory behind it. Like why is it Soundgarden? मेरे को लगता था मस्त garden जैसा feeling. Music है sound डालो word.
हाँ
But
बट क्या
it
कुछ अलग स्टोरी
हाँ
क्या है
उसका एक्चुअली एक स्कल्पचर है सियाटल में. सो देयर इज अ स्कल्पचर विच इज
ओह
कॉल्ड
वाह
साउंड गार्डन एंड वहाँ से दे आर फ्रॉम सियाटल. सो they took the sculpture's name.
Wow, nice,
I
nice.
know, man.
That, that's really interesting.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, I'm sure there are like many more band names that we could have discussed. Like, there are some names which have totally no connection to the music, and they still have that name, like
Yeah,
making it look something different than what their music is.
yeah. Probably a few names like Kiss, Cream.
Yeah.
I don't know
How they
what's the
got
story
that.
behind these
Yeah.
names, but these guys are huge.
Yeah. Yeah, that was good, man. That was good actually. The topic was interesting. I
Yeah, we
think we can
covered a
keep
lot. I think
keep
we should
talking
give a
about it,
chance
right?
to our
Like
listeners. Yeah. We should give chance to our listeners to add their comments, their
yes.
views, or their favorite band names on our social media pages,
Yes.
and then we can see what people think about it.
Yeah, it'll be very nice to get some thoughts of our listeners. Hopefully there are few that respond.
Yeah. Let's be optimistic.
Yeah, let's be
And
optimistic. That's the word.
yes.
Hey, do you want to share the story of our naming our podcast? Like,
Oh, dude, that's funny. I mean, it was so difficult. I think we should discuss all the names that we were
yes, yes.
going through.
Let's do
I
that.
think we started with what musicians Mal
Musician
because
small.
it was
Yeah,
हिंदी इंग्लिश पॉडकास्ट था तो एक इंग्लिश वर्ड
yeah,
लेंगे एक हिंदी वर्ड लेंगे
yeah, and
but somewhere it didn't sound so well.
yeah, yeah.
Uh,
There was
but I'm
diminished. I
like,
think diminished. You came up with the chord, and then we thought about M
yes,
diminished, like
yes, correct,
M
correct.
as
So
in
we were
the
thinking
M chord
music
and
का M
diminished.
डाल
Yeah.
देते हैं diminished वाला
हाँ
word डाल दे. But I think then you came up with having diminished vibes.
हाँ vibes
Uh,
was the अपना vibe चाहिए ना थोड़ा ऐसे कुछ तो
exactly,
word. That's how
exactly.
we came up with it. But I know we can go on, way back when we were thinking about it. We came up with very silly names also. I mean, this is also silly
Yeah.
name, but there were
क्या
sillier
वो क्या
names.
था KBC कुछ भी चलेगा ये भी हम लोग ने
मस्त था
सोचा
वो.
था that was funny हाँ वो बहुत सही था
कुछ भी
but
चलेगा.
then somewhere we wanted to have music connection
Yes,
तो
yes.
क्योंकि अपना पूरा पॉडकास्ट
हाँ.
डायरेक्टली इनडायरेक्टली म्यूजिक के बारे में रहने वाला है so
And
diminish vibes it is.
yeah, man, diminished vibes. अच्छा लग रहा है. And feel free to use the other names, guys. और use किया तो बताओ भी इधर. And
हाँ
and कुछ भी चलेगा करके अलग podcast निकाल दे.
हाँ उसमें full time
वो
pass.
use मत करो.
Yes.
All right. Yeah, man. Next episode, I think what we are going to discuss in next episode is basically earliest music scenes, or you can say
Yes.
earliest music um, memory.
Mm.
What is your earliest music memory? And we'll go over a few things, including a lot
Yeah,
of
so
Hindi stuff as well, which will
yes,
be fun.
so
Totally
basically
looking
कुमार
forward to
शानू
it,
से
man.
आयन मेडन तक सब कवर करेंगे.
Yeah. कुमार शानू से आयन मेडन तक. And then
वाह.
movies भी रहेगा बहुत सारा बीच में.
Yes.
All right, guys. Well, tune into our next episode. Thank you very much. Go ahead, Akshay.
Thank you, listeners. See you soon in the next episode. Goodbye.